So now you have installed your system. Now what do you do? How do you get your applications? Because you've come from Windows, you're used to go into the browser and searching your applications and and downloading them from there. On Linux, it's done a little bit differently. There are like three ways to get your applications on your Linux machine. The first way, which is probably the easiest, is just basically go into the App Center, which is this one. You click on that, you wait for a bit, and there you go. This is everything you need. This is everything you like. This is every app you can like install. And not from this page, obviously, but you can like sort stuff. You can like search stuff. So let's search for something. It's basically like the Play Store. Let's search for yeah, sure. Let's search for Kton Live. This is a software I like to use. Or you know what? Let's search for something a little bit well known. Let's say Chrome maybe. Yeah, let's do Chrome. And there you go. Here's Chromium, which is basically the base version of Chrome. You can like do VLC. You're gonna find that, of course. But yeah, for me, in my case, I want like a video editing software, so I'm gonna do Kton Live. So this is the stable release, and yeah, let's do this one. I'm gonna click on install. I'm gonna type the password. I'm gonna wait a bit. It's going to install. It's gonna take a while. You can see that the install it's a little bit big program, so I'm gonna like pause the video, or maybe I'm just gonna like speed it up so you can like watch this status bar. Alright, now it has finished installing, and if you go ahead and look at your application folder, you can see that it's right here. And simple as that. It's much safer than browsing the web and finding like and trying to find like the application that you want. It could have a malware or not. You can just use your App Center or the App Store, just like how you would with the Google Play Store, and it should be okay. So you can maybe look for Steam. Here he is. Don't have to like to install it from elsewhere. You can look for like, I don't know, GIMP, which is a really good Photoshop alternative if you want to use it. I really love GIMP. You can like look for emulators, everything. It's really everything. Like PPS is PP. Here you go. Here is an emulator right there. You can look for PCSX2. Hold up. I meant it's probably not here. I'm gonna show you if it's not there. I can show you like another way to get stuff that is not on the App Center, which I'm gonna show you later in this video. So so now you know how to like get software on Linux like the normal way, quote unquote the normal way. I'm gonna show you the second way to do that, which is by using the terminal. Don't be alarmed, the terminal is not really hard. It's just like a couple of commands that you need to remember. So first, let me just explain to you how this command works. So let me get a text editor, which I think is not here. Oh, here it is. Let me show you how it works. So usually you'll have to usually you have to give the command like admin privileges. So to do that, you're gonna type sudo, which means super user do, which is basically remember that this is basically admin privileges on Windows, basically like run as administrator. admin, if I can type that correctly, administrator. Okay, so that's what sudo actually means, just super user do. Basically, we run this command as an administrator. Then you're gonna need to call for your package manager. Um, Package manager. Okay, let me just do that. On Linux, there are different package manager but for the sake of this tutorial, we are using Linux Mint or Ubuntu, and both use apt, which is literally just 3 letters. Apt. This is your package manager. This is what take cares of anything package related. If you have anything package related, you're gonna call apt, and then later you're gonna type the command that you want to execute. You can like update, upgrade your packages, install, remove, etc, etc. For us now, we're gonna need to install, let's see, what do I want to install? Yes, good. Let's do Steam. Oh, yeah, let's do Steam. Yeah, and then this is gonna ask you for the password. You're gonna type the password. All right, it's not there. Okay, because it's probably Snap. So let's try something else. Let's see. Let's try Vim. Why not? There we go. It's gonna install. It's not gonna take a while. There we go, and it's really quick. It doesn't really take a lot of time. So Vim is a terminal application, so I can just execute it like this. We can like try, let's try install, let's see. Yeah, let's get an office suite. Let's do LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a really good office suite. Like I told you last time, we only needed the minimal installation, so I can show you how you can get software yourself. It's a much better way just start from scratch and like get your own software that you need, so you don't have a lot of bloat. So anyways, let's do that. Oh, that's a 1 gig file. Sure, let's do it. Yes. This one is gonna take a little bit, but it's not as slow as the App Center. The App Center takes a little bit longer to install packages. For this, it's a bit faster, I should say. Let's quit from this. Yeah, discard. Yeah, sure. I'm just gonna I'm not gonna fast forward the video this time. I'm just gonna cut straight to the point, so you can understand how it works. And come on. And here we go. It's installed now. If you go ahead and look here, you're gonna see every single LibreOffice, which is basically a alternative for the Microsoft Word and Microsoft Office in general. So let me just group these in one folder. Here is Vim, by the way, that we just installed. I'm gonna put that too as well. Let's call this LibreOffice, so we be a little bit tidy here. Anyways, this is the second way to get the software, which using the terminal. The third way is using Flatpak. Flatpak is kind of like apt, but it's a universal package manager. You can use it on any Linux distribution, not just Ubuntu. So to do that, you have to install it first. So you're going to use your package manager to install another package manager. How cool is that? So let's do sudo apt install Flatpak. So this one is not going to take a long time. It's just a small package. Here we go. We've got Flatpak in here. Next Flatpak on its own, it doesn't do much, but next it doesn't do much, so we have to set that up. So next we have to go ahead and go open your browser of choice, and type in setup Flatpaks or Flatpak with a 1K. Alright, let's do that. It's gonna ask you which Linux distribution you're on. For my case, it's Ubuntu. For your case, it might be Linux Mint or anything else if you are like a seasoned Linux distribution. But anyways, you're gonna go click on your Linux distribution, We already did that. We can skip this one because we have a really recent version of Ubuntu. Install Flatpak. So software problem. Yeah, I don't think we need that either. We can skip this one as well. This one. This is what we need. You're just gonna copy this command. Copy. Go to your terminal and press Shift. Remember, Shift, Control, V. That's how you copy. If you do like Shift V, if you do like Control V, like the normal way to paste things, it won't paste anything. It's just gonna paste this stuff, this gibberish. So you always have to do Shift, Control, V, and that's gonna paste it. Now press Enter. It's gonna ask you for your password. Type it in, and there we go. We've got stuff set up. Now, like as you saw last time, some stuff didn't show up on the App Store. When we search for PCSX2, which is a PS2 emulator, it didn't show up. And the reason why it's really not in the repositories, but it's on Flatpak. So you go ahead and do sudo flatpak, because as you remember, admin privileges, your package manager, and then the command. So sudo flatpak install, and we want PCSX2. This is our software that we didn't find in the App Center. We're gonna press an enter. It's gonna look for matches. It found it. You're gonna press yes, yes again, yes for installation, and it's gonna install. Here we go. So it's that simple, really. It's not really that hard. It's really, if you remember the commands, it's gonna be really easy. So I'm gonna, while this install, I'm gonna teach you the commands right here real quick. So let's open up our text editor. So for both Flatpak and apt, you have like these three commands that, or actually four, I think, yeah, four, that you need to remember. Right? Yeah, for apt it's 5, but for Flatpak it's 4. But yeah. First is install, which installs the software. The other one it's remove, which removes the software. This is for apt, by the way, so I'm gonna just do apt here. This removes the software. There's also update, which updates the repositories, not the packages. Remember that, just the repositories. You're just gonna update the links where you can like get the stuff. Next you have upgrade. This one updates the packages upgrade. So remember, so if you do the upgrade here, so you can like update your package. This is how you update the packages or the applications. Let's type in application, make this simple. Applications. There we go. This updates the application. And autoremove. This one removes any like orphan files. If you don't know what orphan files are, they are basically some leftover packages that they are no longer used. So it's a good idea to remove them to clear up some space. Let's type here clear up leftover dependencies. Let's type in dependencies. Okay. So this is for app. For Flatpak, it's mostly the same thing. It's also install, remove, update, but there are some few differences. Install is the same. Update. This one updates the packages. By the way, for Flatpak, this updates the packages. So, but it also like accepts upgrade as well. Both updates the packages. Or applications. Let's type in applications too. Right, both of them do that. Remove does the same thing as usual, but there's one difference. There is this command over here. For apt it's auto remove, but for Flatpak it's remove dash unused. So if you can remember these commands, make sure you type them on a piece of paper, or I'm just gonna paste this in the description below, so you can like guys remember the commands. They are really just, literally just to reward. It's not really that hard. So yeah, I'm just gonna save this by where is it? Um, I'm just gonna press Control S here. Let's do documents. Yeah, let's do that. And there we go. I'm gonna paste this once I finish recording this video. Yeah, well, now it's almost finished, as you can see. Oh, here we go. Now we're just gonna install the application, and it's gonna install. I mean, Flatpak is a little bit slower, but it has stuff that the App Center doesn't have. So yeah, you can just rely on Flatpak if something doesn't exist in the App Center. Here we go. Installation complete. No, we don't need this anymore. Oh, right. You have to set this up. So search button. So might not appear in this on this session. Oh, right. For this one, it's a new thing. Usually it usually doesn't happen, but when you install a Flatpak for the first time, you have like to restart your session. It's really easy. So all you have to do is go ahead, click on this power button, and you're gonna log out. You can also restart, but you can also log out. So let me just do that, and I'll come back to you guys real quickly. I just logged out and logged back in, and there you go. It's now installed. Yeah, I'm gonna set this up later, but yeah, right now if I install something else, it's gonna install really quickly, and it's gonna also show up on the desktop. So let's do sudo flatpak install. Let's see, what do I want to install? Let's do Thunderbird, why not? Thunderbird. Okay, yes, sure. How big this file is? I don't know. Let's do something a little bit smaller. How about what's a small application? Sudo flatpak install Steam. Let's do that. Where now it gives, oh yeah, when you do that, it gives you like a selection. You can like choose the one that matches the one that you want, which is this one. For me, this is Steam app Valve software. This is Steam Link, not Steam. Where is Steam? Yeah, this is Steam. It's 19. So you're gonna type in 19. Yes, and it's gonna install. It's not gonna take long, so I'm just gonna cut the video and come back when it installs. Now that it finished installing, I can show you that it automatically adds to the home screen now. Here it is. So it's just the first time you'll have to log out, but after that you can just install any application as normal. And if we open Steam, we can go ahead and click on OK, and it's gonna set up, and it's gonna check for updates. So basically that's how you can install apps, remove apps. It's really that simple. For removing apps, you're just gonna type the command with instead of install, you're gonna type remove. And for the App Center, you're just gonna click on the App Center and go check your installed apps, which is on manage, and you can just press on the three dots, show details, and install. Here is, this is how you can install an app using the App Center. But yeah, it's really that simple. It's not that hard. So in the next video, I'll show you how you could like utilize the AUR. Yes, Ubuntu has an AUR, so I'll explain to you what that is in the next video. So if you like the video, like it. If you don't like it, press dislike, and I'll see you guys in the next one.